guys, welcome back to another things. But for today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how Shopify Kaching bundle app tutorial. So also it will be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So how to exactly add or install Kaching here and start using it? Well, first things first, you want to go to Shopify.com, log into your account, and you want to go to your settings at the left side here. Now you want to go ahead and choose the option here for apps and sales channel and click on Shopify App Store at the top right. Now, in this case, we want to install Kaching, so we need to search it. So let's go click on search at the top here. Just type in Kaching, press enter. Now you should see a number of apps here, but what we're looking for is going to Kaching bundles quantity break. Let's go and click on it. Now from here, we want to go and discuss a few things. Now in this case, the app itself is free to install, and also a free trial is all available in their app. Let's go and click on install here. Now, it will ask you to confirm a few things, so you just need to click on the confirm or install button here to confirm the installation. But once you've done that, you should be able to install Kaching bundles. Now, the thing with Kaching bundles here, in order for you to start using it, you need to get a plan. So you have a starter plan, scale, or pro plan in here. So in this case, you could also do a 14-day free trial here if you want. So you could go and click on start 14-day free trial in order for you to try their services first. Now, in this case, you want to go and click on approve. So you can go and click on approve in here. So by the way, you have 14 days free trial, right, ending on the July 5th here. So in this case, it is actually charged for a year. So you want to click on approving this for this one in order for you to start using the app. So once you approve this one, what we need to do next is we want to go and just set it up. Now, first is you want to activate Kaching bundles on your storefront here. You want to go and click on the activate app embed. And from here, what we need to do next is we want to go ahead and just make sure at the left side here, Kaching is enabled. So if you see that it's actually enabled, you can go and click on save at the top right here, and you should be good. So let's go back into our previous page here, and as you can see, it's now activated. Now let's go and click on create bundle deal here. Now for your bundle here, you can go and choose discount types here. You have, like, for example, 1 pack, 2 pack here. You have buy one get one free. So there are different formattings here. So as example, let's go and choose this one. And from here, you can go and just do the customizations as you would. So for example, you could add your bundle name. So this is only visible to you. Also at the right side, this is the preview of your bundle. You also have the block title here, the visibility for it, and a lot of those things. So you can basically do a lot of things here, like customizing the colors, the background color here, the transparency, and a lot of those. Even like the typography here, you could go and change that as well. But once you're done, you can go and click on publish at the bottom right here, and that should save your bundle. Now from here, once it's actually published, you should be able to start using it on your account or your, in this case, Shopify store. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.